So, as most Grace players know, today is the funny update day, and today we're gonna be playing Grace. And as a small celebration, not only we're gonna be playing Grace, but I look a lot cooler. So today, we're gonna be playing Grace. Like, a little more than usual. Let's do this. Now I have to say, I love this game. I just don't really have that many clips of me actually playing the game. Besides with my friends.
2 minutes and 0 seconds until self-destruct. Oh
no. So today's just gonna be me playing. For now at least. I think. I like tacos. Isn't it such a nice game to not have the Whistler in, you know? Because Fry would definitely try to beat him up. Yo, what am I doing? Oh, can you believe it, guys? Grace, just a couple of hours away.
1 minute and 20 seconds until self-destruct. Better hurry.
But I'm already there. What about Premiere? I wonder what that is. Is it just like the default? Oh, got it. Serious Premiere. Goatman incoming. That's wild. So I saw a video about the new update, and this dude said that one of the photos, that I'm pretty sure was like the I'm not gonna sugarcoat it one, that he was wearing a belt. Those memes tend to have like a keybind that shows something powerful. So instead of R for reprieve, R for parry, because there's a lot of parry noises and glass shattering. So I'm assuming I have a super key, and so I'm assuming that it means that you're just gonna have a really powerful parry in reprieve mode. I don't even remember what it's called too, so good for me. You don't have to like grind for super keys, like it kind of sucks. But then at the same time, as I'm grinding for super keys, I have like a lot of regular keys. So like the moment the update comes out, I'm gonna get all the normal cosmetics too. Yo, buddy. Hey, we can talk about it. I don't know why I looked at him. No, because that's what he wants me to not do. He's there to envy me, not to take pride in his work. Hey, get what I did there? Get what I did there? Aren't I the funniest guy alive? Pretty sure this is where things get interesting with all the entities. Did he just try to attack me through the wall? When you know what room generation it is before you even actually see it. Gotta say, I love Carnation. And the new effect that they gave him, so, like, majestic. Yo. Hurry up. Hey, listen to this funny sound. Wait, listen to this, listen to this. Isn't that so funny? I don't like Heed that much because you don't know if it's a slide door or just a regular door, so you have to like take your chances on sliding there or not. talking so much like this is gonna be the raw footage of the video, but it's not. Like this isn't the video itself, but I'm still talking for some reason. I don't know, maybe I just like talking so much. 3 at the same time. That's wild. Wait, the new reprieve mode just gave me an idea. Car crash, glass shattering, good lord, general commotion. It's time for school. We do. Oh, I just missed it. No. No. Okay, whatever. Beautiful execution. We love that. I went vroom. That should be a new style point in Reprieve. I go zoom. It's just you going fast. I would love to get the full skating animation pack. This is my favorite skating animation. Because it's the only skating animation and I love skateboards for no apparent reason. Yo, yo, hey, 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 hey. Just a tip for any new players. The lines that you see whenever you go fast can kind of be used as a measurement. So like, if you see those lines, don't stop sliding. And the moment they disappear, stop sliding, that way you won't lose any momentum. Unless you like need to stop sliding if you need to enter a safe room or something. That was cool. Come on. Oh man. Most of the functions. Well, I need to use that key eventually. I'll be right back. Okay, I figured out how to suppress noise so I sound a lot better. Anyway, I'm back. We're gonna be playing some more Grace, because that's what I do. But first... Come on, come on. What did I get? The floating? I can fly. Please tell me. He can fly, he can fly, he can fly. There we go. Oh, I keep tripping by accident and then I lose all my speed. Thank you. I said thank you. Dito. 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 Herring the patty. That actually kind of scared me. Move in. Sorry, pal, I did not mean to disturb your slumber, if you will. What do they do when they're not around? Like they just play poker or something? Ah, double ah. Oh, I'm dead. Ugh. Those were pretty good runs, so I'm gonna stop the recording here. You all have a nice day.